I am Jasmine Mattear, a Stetson College of Law Legal Fellow with the Community Law Program's Amendment 4 Fellowship, working to aid Pinellas County residents in restoring their voting rights, sealing or expunging their criminal records, and reinstating their driver's license. Today on Fellow Talk Friday, we will discuss driver license reinstatement. But before we get there, though, we have to discuss driver license suspensions. Driver license suspensions is actually quite common here in Pinellas County and affects 2 million Floridians statewide. 1 in 8 drivers currently have a suspended driver's license. Now, let's talk about how someone may find themselves needing legal aid to reinstate their driver's license. Driver's license suspension can occur for numerous reasons, including failure to pay traffic fines, failure to appear to a traffic summons, failure to pay child support, penalty for a law violation, and more, all of which can result in thousands of dollars worth of legal fines and fees. Fewer than 4% of the suspended licenses in Florida have been found to be for serious public safety issues. At Community Law, we focus on individuals who have had their driver's license suspended because of a failure to pay back fines and fees. 72% of driver's license suspensions in Florida are for unpaid fines and fees, not for unsafe driving. Many Floridians are often unable to pay these sudden fines and fees associated with driver's license suspensions. And when a person fails to pay back those fines and fees, that court debt can be sent to a private collection agency after 90 days. These private collection agencies can then add up to 40% of the total amount due for the fines and fees, which can be a large financial stressor for many citizens. Once an individual's license is suspended, they often find themselves in the position of choosing between driving illegally in order to provide for themselves and their families, or complying with the law and losing the ability to pay the court debt that led to the license suspension in the first place. In 2017, law enforcement issued 232,000 citations for driving while license suspended. The legal consequences of driving on a suspended license are severe, and they escalate over time. Many Pinellas County residents continue to have existing driver's license suspensions and court fines and fees. Furthermore, the issue of driver's license suspension and the financial consequences associated with them disproportionately affect lower income Floridians and Floridians of color. Black Floridians have their license suspended on average 1.5 times the rate that they are represented in the general population. So what exactly are these fines and fees? Well, fees, costs, or surcharges are additional financial sanctions that fund the justice system and other government services. Since 1996, Florida has created more than 20 new types of fees, such as public defender fees, prosecution fees, and probation fees, to name a few. In 1998, Florida passed Revision 7, which required that clerks' offices for county and circuit courts be funded by court fees, which include civil filing fees for criminal or traffic convictions. Clerk of courts are responsible for collecting financial obligations imposed by the court for criminal and traffic offenses. When a person does not pay required financial obligations within the time period provided by the court, state statutes require that the clerk mail a notice to the individual that the person has 30 days to pay their debt to the court before their license will be suspended. If the person does not pay within 30 days, which includes a $25 delinquency fee that must be paid, the clerk has to notify Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, who then mails an order of suspension to the individual effective 20 days after the notice is mailed. Suspensions for unpaid fines and fees are indefinite until those financial obligations are paid. The driver's license reinstatement process is both confusing and costly for people who have received a suspension. To obtain a license reinstatement, a person must either pay off their outstanding debt in full or petition the court to be placed on a payment plan. To aid someone in reinstating their driver's license, we at Community Law Program are readily equipped to assist all qualifying Pinellas County residents by establishing a personalized payment plan based on their monthly income to legally restore their driver's license. Community Law Program's dedicated staff of attorneys, legal fellows, law student volunteers, and pro bono attorneys are eager to help you. So come attend one of our free clinics to receive legal advice. To schedule a meeting, please call Community Law at 727-582-7480. Thank you for tuning in for another Fellow Talk Friday. We hope you can join us again next Friday.